Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex, and this is the weekly analysis using Elliott wave theory for the Forex pairs as well as gold, silver, crude, copper, Bitcoin. So before we get into this analysis, this is my disclaimer, read carefully. So let's move on to first DXY. So as I expected, whether this is a wave 1 or wave 2, or this could be our intermediate wave 1 and 2. So we are in the third wave and the second wave is got finished or not, that we have to watch this high to break. So in previous, what I did is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the wave 1 and I took it this as an expanded flat. Now I come to the conclusion. So this is the end of the wave 1. So I will remove all those things. This got invalid, so exactly it came here and then again it made a low also, and it's already broken this low also. So now sorry, now what I'm expecting here is, so this is the 1 and this is the 3, this is the 2 and this is the fourth wave. It's got an somewhat here it's ended and we are in that second wave completion. So either this is the end of that second wave in the three-way structure, or it is going to make a one more low like this. Then this could be the ABC, ZW, X and Y. So this wave second can be a little bit lower also. So if it breaks only, that is confirmed as a wave 2 is completed here. And even though if it breaks the high and later on onwards like this, it can come to this again as an irregular flat also. So anything it is possible, and this trend line of that support, it's took support very well. So it's again bounced nearly from here to nearly almost 70 pips from here in the DXY. So let's hope this is doing well, and the rest of that week also I'm thinking it's a bullish. So I'm uploading is earlier today itself. This is a live market, so it's a Friday because I had gotten work and a class on that Saturday and Sunday busy, so I'm doing it now itself. So this is my view in DXY. So either if it is an irregular flat formation, it can come again one more low. Otherwise, it can break the high and that will be a continuation of the third wave. Otherwise, if it breaks the high also, again it can turn to the downside, and then afterward it can bounce also for that irregular flat formation in the wave 2. But I stick to this count. Either this could be a 1 or A, this could be a 2 or B, and we are in that C or the intermediate wave of third in that 5-way structure. So once it breaks this zone, this will reach only to the next resistance zone of 98 zone, what I'm expecting. So that is why I imaginary thinking like that. This could be wave 1, this could be a wave 2, and if we kept this 1 and 2 getting rejected sorry, the 1618 for the third wave can end up here, and then afterwards consolidation. After that, here for example, this could be the third wave end, later onwards it could be the fourth wave, and then one more fifth wave. So that could be the end of ABC, or this could be a 1, 2, 3 is got ended here. After that, that 4 and one more 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then A, B and that C completion. So anyway, I'm looking only to reach that 103.8 to break, or either if it is something, if it is again and again it's declining within this zone, it could be a bigger correction also. That we will tell you later once it reached there, then I will inform you. It's not now. So this is my view path. The same thing vice versa in the inverted in Euro USD, and I already shared my view also in my channels and as well as in the trading view on social platforms. So this is my view so far. So this is the wave 1 and 2, and we are in the intermediate wave 3rd. So I exactly it is getting rejection in that zone, and this trend line also, what I already previously I executed my position on that yesterday. Exactly it I did that at the 680 zone here. Now it is in the profit. So whether it is going to the downside from here itself to the downside, or it will took a little bit one more corrections what I expected in the DXY. It could be like that also. So later onwards this could be ABC is a A, ABC is a B. So for now it is become as a C. So the one simple correction is got completed. So that could be the wave 2 as of now. But only if it breaks this low, then only we come to the conclusion, okay, that wave 2 is already completed as per our expectation, and the third wave, we are in the third wave. Otherwise, it can do like this also to become a, then this will become a W, X, A, B, and C. And today is a Friday, maybe a profit booking also this one. So we can't say either. This is a Forex market that you know very well if you are following me from the past 2 years. What we expecting it won't do in the market. But the bigger picture says it's a bearish in Euro USD, and dollar is in bullish. So sometimes in Euro New Zealand also, I got stopped out in the 7 month to trade. And I already expected before the 2 weeks before itself. It is making a WXYZ. So because why I am explaining, keep on explaining, just you need to look the market structure, and you have to bias on your strategy, not my strategy. I'm just explaining and just keep on learning, and I'm teaching the how I am looking the market. I am maybe wrong also sometimes, lot of times. So it's your money. You have the responsible for the loss or profit, not me. So let's move on to the GBP USD. That's same. This also it is keep on declining in that and got rejection in this zone. So let's wait for that same thing as per what we expected in this market. Whether it is going to do like this, or it can come to this zone and later on it can bounce also. So then it will took all the stop loss here, and it will become a like this. It will this whole thing become an expanded flat. Later onwards, this kind of wave formation can happen here. But the bigger picture is in downtrend. That's it. So these are the opportunities. And if you took the trade according to this, and if you are buying here, market will do like this. So I have already shown lot of several examples like those in gold also. So this is my view in GBP USD. Let's move on to Australian dollar. 1 second. Yeah. And I informed that, and I have already shared my view in that my platforms, right? So whether this is A, B, or C, this is a completion, means it will come to the downside. That damn sure. Otherwise, if it is making something in the B, see, if you are not understanding this, forget about this, right? I will unhide all those things. So this is the A, B, or C, or this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whatever the count is here, it's only for the references. The bigger picture it says it's only to the downside. And I have already got that stop here. That is the invalidation for this. What I'm expecting, it's a nearly 0.54. That will build later onwards. It won't come. See, from here to here, it took nearly 1 year, right? So the same thing from here to here, it will be around another 1 year. So we have to be patient to pick all that, to collect all the money. It's not all the money. At least what is our capital, and according to that we have to look for that risk and reward. So this is one simple correction is got completed. Whether it is going to be a deeper, that we can't predict here. So if I predicted and if I explain, then this will be happen. So either this A, B, C, then this become A, this become B and C. Otherwise, this is a B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can make it as a WX A, B, C. It can do anything. And I already showed the last week also. It did the same thing here. How many years? I think 2 years. So it again, if you asking that it will took 2 years, no idea. But the bigger picture is in the downside. That's it. So another, if it is not a 2 years also, it can be another 1 year. We can't say like that. So try to understand the Elliott wave. It's only, see, I already back tested and I'm doing keep on this Elliott waves as a full-time job as a 5 years and as a part-time of 3 years. From the 2014 onwards, I'm keep on doing, right? So I just back tested everything. It is worked in this positional view, but I don't know about that internet, that 5 waves, 3 waves, and it will be 5 years in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I won't do that, and I didn't done also, because my personality is entirely different and I'm a panic person and I'm on emotion. So if it is in the smaller time frame, it will get a little better volatility. So this bigger picture, it's quite good for me. For my individual personality, it suits me. So that means it won't suit for all. So this is my view in the AUD USD. So next we can move into the New Zealand dollar. Same picture as like the same, but here it didn't broke the previous high here in this. So whether it is doing that only, it's a ABC is a A, ABC is a B, or ABC is a C as a W, or that one correction is got completed. And from here itself I expected, right? And again it did one more high. So that means it can, if it is converted into the bigger correction, it can go again this zone also. So later onwards, the bigger picture says only to the downside to break the previous corona drop of that 5-4, this one. So this will take more time here, and then any news, such a news comes to into the play means then the fundamental will boost our technical analysis. So we have to get ready for that. So either it is going to come from the downside, didn't know. So how we have to trade? That's it. Simply, if you have to place the stop loss, if you are willing to add the positions, you can add. If you are buying, means it's up to you. So the next is we can move it for USD Cad. Look at this view. Previous what I did. 1 second. I will come to the 1 hour chart. 1 second. We will check whether it is recording or not. Yeah, it's already 13 minutes. So now previous I did as a WX, A, B, and C. Now I did as a B, and C. So whether this is the 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is got completed, and this is the third, and I'm expecting the one more downside, possible. Or from here, it is going to shoot, that is also possible. If it shoots, simply we will change this wave count. See, this is not an, honestly I'm speaking, it's everything, it is valid. If you go deep, then you will get confused. Don't look this. And I, in my educational video also in the channeling, I already said this kind of wedge formation later on what's converted into the channel, and it's keep getting rejected in the zone. Later onwards it can do like this. Then if you going for that 1 hour daily chart, sorry, a 4 hour daily chart, it will become very spike. Then what you will do, so limit that spike, and it is close below this, and that is also valid. So you have to understand that structure. That's it. So if it is coming to like this, it may be, and if it is coming, if it is going to shoot, it could be, maybe, could be, and hope. I think everything it is in the market. There are a lot of words I'm using that same thing. hope, may or may not. We are not a market mover. It's a billion and billion and trillion is making the market to move. So we can at least, we are in the market side, it is going to get reverse, means just you have to wait patiently. Otherwise, if you are eager to enter the market, enter partially. Whether it is going to shoot from here, no worries. If it is comes to the downside, again you can enter the partially. Anyway, in this market you need to make a money, that's it. Either it is in Euro USD or USD Cad or US 30 or gold, silver, anything, whatever it is. The theory is same. Theory won't fail. Who using and applying is the failure, because they didn't went that deep, that much deep. That is why I keep on informing in my all the videos. So simply we will keep on changing and everybody will blame. No worries. We are making money. That's it. We are doing, and just I am sharing my knowledge, and you are not paying for me anything. It's all free. And whatever I took it from this financial market as a free, I'm just giving back to the market and for you. I'm not charging here. Only for the students who forcing me to take the classes for mentoring, and only if those who are struggling in the Elliott Wave, I'm just taking the class, and I'm not promoting in all the things. In all my videos, I'm not promoting that, because I will took only one-to-one classes and only in the weekends, Saturday and Sunday, and it's already full. That is why I'm just doing here today itself. And only for that who is struggling, really struggling with that, and I need to talk to them nearly 1 to 2 hours, and then only I will pick those students, and I need to ask the capitals, everything. It is not, see, this is a in the $5 and that in the $100 we can grow it to that nearly $1 lakh. It is impossible in this market. I'm not talking about the gambling, I'm just talking about the trading using the Elliott Wave. So let's move to the next USD Jpy. See what I expected, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are in the fourth wave, and I'm expecting the fifth. It's not looking good as of now. So what it is doing here, maybe one more downside is possible. So how it is possible is a 1, 2, 3, and fourth and fifth is going to beans, and I already informed this part, right? So if this is the 1, this is the 2, so this could be the third, and this could be the fourth here, and the fifth wave got extended. That could be possible. What I'm trying to say is that is also possible. Otherwise, if it is a C wave, means A, B, C is a 1, A, B, C is a 2. So this become A, B, and C. It is still in that B can reach up to here also. If it is a diagonal pattern, kind of pattern, what I'm trying to explain. So it could be anything. See, first if it is accepted this, and if it is bouncing, and if it is break the high, that will be valid. Now it is already out of the channel. So now, and it is already retested, and again it came down, and it is making a lower low. So now it is become, it's a W. So this become A, this become B and C. So this is a WX, and Y could be one more low. Or if it is an, again I already explained that USD Jpy, if it is struck in that correction part, it will took more than a year, and I have already explained that. So if it is a bigger, so then this could be become a, see, in the bigger picture I mark this AR1. So if it is a triangle only, this is a B. Otherwise, if it is a 1, and this could be the 2, because the triangle, it's will appear only in the B wave. So we have to mention this as a irregular flat formation in the 2. That means this could be the wave 1, this could be the wave 2, this could be the wave 3. That is also possible, and I have explained that also in the previous. So this is exactly in the 2618. So this could be the third wave also. So we are in the bigger fourth wave. So then what we have to do, say I didn't done anything, it's only in that live video only in the weekly analysis I need to share. That is why I'm doing now. It's a we can change everything according to the price action. We need to predict before itself. That is why I have did everything, and I just keep on watching. And if I need to create one chart to share my view, it will took nearly 30 to 45 minutes per chart. And I need to type everything, I need to check everything. So now, and I need to think of the different possibilities also. So that is why I got this kind of views. So now what I did, this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2 means this is the end of the third. So then we have to draw this channel like this and just to clone this here and place it in the second wave. So what I said, it can be a deeper. So how much deep it can, just measure that Fibonacci retracement. Exactly what we are expecting, the 38.2. So if it comes to the 1240, 112.40, it could be bounce. So either this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, or the different wave count is either this could be a triangle also from here. If it is a triangle, so this becomes a this becomes a B. So this could be the end of the C wave. So C wave contains of 5-way structure. So either this is the wave 1 of C and we are in the wave 2. So again what it will do, it can retest this zone again. May or may not. We can expect this portion also. And this is the here. 1 second. Yeah, what I'm expecting, this 110 and 100 this zone. 120 is the major resistance zone in the previous. Now it could again retest it, or the next support zone is this one, this portion where we are getting rejected. It's 111.7. So let's wait for that. If it is moved from here, no worries, because we are already holding that positions from 103.4 and just holding that everything. And whether it is could be an A, B and C, means it could be a 1 and 2 like that. But in the case because I'm just correlating to that gold also, so I'm expecting that gold is maximum is 1870 like that. If it comes to the analysis, I will explain that. So this could be again one more here, and then again I'm expecting to the upper side only to break this 118.55. But if any rare chances, because I did this a W, this is a X, A, B, C. If it is a shorter, and this could be the end of this three-way structure, means again there will be a three-way structure, but I'm not expecting that. I'm expecting this again one more three-way structure. So it could be next anything. And this is the major resistance zone, and I already explained that 114.7 is a 114.5 and already exited that partially, and I'm just holding another partial. Only the another partial is there. So I need to wait for that. I no need to worry if it comes to the downside also, and I keep on buying. So what is the next? If it is comes to the three-way structure, then this could be a B, C, D, E. Again it will come to the downside. But I'm not hoping that. Let's wait for that. Whether it is going to make a what I'm expecting, it could be valid or not valid, may or may not. That's it. So next, USD chef. See, that is why I'm not updating in the correction part. From the past 20 days, I'm not updating any chart. See, this kind of wave formation, it has to happen here. I said from that several times, and with the curiosity, I just did like this kind of wave formation. So it is already did, and it's already broken, and again I'm expecting this kind of wave. It's invalid now. So this could be the, see, if you again and again looking only for that wave counts and labeling, it's for me it's a waste of time. If you did see 786, it's exactly bounced, but it's again failed. So what is this now zone? It's a 1. So whether it is going to make a from here to make a new high, could be. Otherwise, if it is what it is doing like this kind of three-way structure again and it is getting rejected, it could be. So then what is the formation? This is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. So this becomes an expanded flat if it breaks this low. It's an irregular flat, and this becomes A, this becomes B, and one more C. So anyway, we are looking to break this, but at what time? From here or from here? We have to be in buy side. I'm in the buy side. I'm not forcing you to buy side. So this is my view. Just I presented here. That's it. So next USD Cad. I think we finished or not? Yeah, we finished this. 1 second. We will check our watch list. Yeah, Cad, Jpy, Chef, and now it's a AJ. Let's move on to that. AUD Jpy, and it is in the fourth wave. That I already predicted that, right? And I already informed that 1, 2, 3, 4, and once again one more high is possible to this, and this is now it's looking like an triangle, looking like a triangle. So if it is get invalid means it need to break this high or either this high. Sometimes what it will do, it will break this high and everybody it will enter there and it will do like this, and that could be an irregular flat formation. So this could be a fourth, and one more 5 is on the way. So try to understand here the price action. Even though if it is looking like a triangle, whether we need to check whether this is a triangle or not. Otherwise, you have to place this as a stop loss. If you did here, sometimes it will do like this also. If it is a lot of stops is placed here, it could do like this also. That is expanded flat, and then again it will took one more high for the fifth wave, and our target is got reached without you. So this tricky one is the fourth wave to complete. We didn't know whether it is completed or not, and if you placed and the stop loss, if it's here and here and here, it can do anything. But lot of time it did only that irregular flat. 99% I saw the market, it did only that irregular flat, not the expanded flat. So the safest side for the 99% is here, not here. And then later onwards, what it will do again, it will do like this also. So then this will become a running flat, running triangle. So this is the A, this is the B, this C, D, E, and then it will from took off. What you everybody, you will enter here, place the order, and it will trigger all the fresh buys also. Once it got the previous high, and then it will took all the stop loss whoever is placed in the below this anchor, 4-hour anchor or 1-hour anchor, whatever the time frames they trade, and later onwards it will come to your target to reach. That's it. Next is Cad Jpy. The same structure, nothing else. It is in the fourth wave. One more high is also possible. So this view is A, B, and C, the fifth wave. It will be around reach to around the 94.3. So next we can move to the New Zealand Cad. I'm in sell, that you know very well, and I place the stop loss here. Because if it hit this stop loss of mine, then it will become a bigger correction. So if it comes to like this, and we will be very happy, and if you took this all the stop loss, and you will be very sad, and later on it will come like this and it will do like this. So what is this? ABC is A, so this becomes a correction, and later on, that is why I place the stop loss here. If it is placed the stop loss here, it can go above the high also, so that we never mind, and then later onwards we can see if it is hit the stop loss also. We are in the market only, keep on watching that. If it comes to the downside also, one more high is possible, so let's wait for that. It looks like 5-way structure, and I already placed it at a double eight. You know very well, and I have already informed, I think so. Let's wait, check. Yeah, I informed this approximate at double eight. it triggered my, let's wait for that. In this, see, this kind of structures, we are looking only for that positional views. If you trading like that intraday trades, or I like to trade in that every waves, you may miss, because previous itself, from the past 1 year only, I will little bit very disciplined. In the past 4 years also, I did like that only. Okay, Elliott based we know very well, and we can trade each and every wave. And I keep on fine-tuning myself from the past 2 years. Whenever I start that YouTube, it helps me to make a discipline. That is why I eager to fine-tune myself, and then it will help you to also learning from me. So you have to keep discipline. That's it. It will pay you. Patience will pay. That's it. These are all my experiences. It's not from the others' experiences and whatever the quote they said. Some lot of people's. It's not like me. It's only my experience. I'm just sharing you. So let's move on to next one. What is the next? Euro New Zealand. It's a lovely pair, right? Still now, I'm just keep on watching that. Euro New Zealand to enter, because it already took my 7 month stop loss. It's a very sluggy, and I already informed that once away it comes to this zone and it is not doing well. And I already informed that I did the average and I exited my one position. So if it hits my stop loss also, it's no worries, because I already did some trades here. And from this one, and I took all that money here, and only the one position what I added in this 6350 or 60, I added 34, I think 1.6340, I think so. The exact bottom what I picked, that got stopped out. So now what if it stopped out means I'm out of the market, but I'm keep on watching this. And I already informed that it will reach to the below 1.6. I will be very happy to buy this. See exactly what it is doing, right? I said from here it has a chances for making a 5-way structure. Otherwise, the 4 I already did here. But I forgot to draw this line. I will show you that also. I forgot to draw that line in Euro New Zealand. See, I forgot to draw this line from here. And one more line here. So now what it is doing? Exactly, it did the irregular flat. And what I'm expecting, nearly if it comes in the nearly 5-way structure to complete the structure in that below 1.6, I will be definitely in buy side, because the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-way structure has got completed. This is the W, this is the X, and this is the A, B, C. So this is not a W, it's a Y. So this bigger 5-way structure is going to complete. This whole 5-way structure is going to complete. It's a W, X, Y, X, Z. Simple. I expected from here it will be bullish also, but some fundamental news came and it is come to the downside. If it happens here and it trap all the fresh buyers here, including me, but I am already in the buy from here, and here some thought I'm accumulated everything. So I exited. I didn't exited here, that you know very well. Once it came to this, then it's a 5%. I lose my hope to break one more 7.4 and 1.8 and 2.1 is my target. So no worries in this, right? So these are all the, see how I'm trading. Just I'm explaining how I'm trading. That's it. Simple. I'm explaining here. So it will be converted into any pair, any labelings or any wave count. Everything it is valid. So now how it is did, like this. Sorry, 1 second. Yeah, from this. So 1, 2, so 3, 4, and 5. Simply it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But the each and every wave got a ABC1, ABC set 2. So that we can do it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that, or it could be W, X, Y, X, Z. After that, what is the bigger picture? What I explained, and I already shared my view of Australian dollar and the Euro New Zealand dollar, Australian New Zealand dollar as well as Euro New Zealand dollar, the positional view. I already shared my view in YouTube. You just go for a look, and just I'm creating and that giving the links also in the below the description. You can go for that. See, this is my bigger picture. So one impulsive wave, ABC, ABC, and now it is a ABC. So this has become a five-way structure, right? What I said. So simply this is a, this is the B, and this is the C in the five-way structure. It's called as a flat. It's an irregular flat formation, running flat. So this A, this is the B, and C, it has to break the above the 2 point. It has to break this. That's it, my ear. That is why I keep on watching from here itself, right? So let's move on to the next. One second, I will just close this. Yeah, next is US 30, and as per this is doing the same thing. US 30. A second, it's a little slow. Yeah, it's one and a. So now it is in the correction, right? So this is I'm thinking this is the fourth wave. So whether it could make a one more high and then again it is coming to the downside, or if it didn't break this high, this could be the converted into the triangle, or if it is again getting rejected, it can do like this and then again bounce. So the same again, the repeatedly in the fourth way, triangle, irregular flat. That's it, simple. Triangle, regular flat, or it could be irregular flat. So how we have to do this? Either this could be the 1 second, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth wave got extended. So this whole thing become 1, 2. So this is the 3, and we are on the fourth wave. So that is the only way I need to count, because it is not yet broken the high, and it is not yet broken this low. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the third wave is got extended here. The fifth wave got extended in the third wave. So now is a 1, 2, 3, and what is the rejections we are expecting for this? 23.6, exactly where I draw the line. 23.6 for the fourth wave. Either if it is a triangle, it won't reach here. Either if it is an irregular flat, it can reach here. If it is a irregular flat, if it is an expanded flat, it can reach here, or otherwise if it is a running flat, it can bounce from here itself. So this is the US 30, and this could be the wave end of the wave 1, means again there will be a rejection zone for that wave 2, because this is becomes a fourth wave. I will hide all those things. So 1, 2, and third wave is going to complete it here, and fourth wave, and the fifth wave is also got 5-way structure. So in that we are completing only the wave 1 here, and again 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. In the 5-way structure, fifth way also I'm expecting the 5-way structure. So each 5 waves got inside the 5 waves. So wave 1 got 5-way structure, and wave 3 is got, it has to be in 5-way structure. So like that, it has to be in one impulsive wave. So that will reach that 40,000 my target. So let's move on to that. Next is Bitcoin. My stop, yeah, I got stopped out. I think I need to inform you that, yeah, I placed the stop loss at 65,000, right? I got stopped out, and I already shorted at 59,300. I stopped out 65,000. So after that, what it happened? Again the 3-way structure. So again it is going to make one more high possible, and I said inform that whether it could be a irregular flat formation to took all the stops like this, and it will attract all the, if once again if it breaks this high, what it will they do, a lot of people they missed here. Once it hit the high, again they will buy here, and it will trigger all that buy, and immediately it will do like this. So then whether it is A or W, what I explained, what I labeled here, so then this could be a B or C, or this could be again converted into the triangle, could be. So this is, it won't go immediately. It is not a taximeter to read. And I said the same thing in from previous itself for the gold. This is a gold. It's not a Bitcoin. It's going to shoot all the times. This is a yellow metal got on value, and it is not a virtual money in this here. So the same thing again I'm using here also. So either A, B, C is already dead. So either it could be a flat correction, means it could be we have to label it as A, and if it is in a B, nearly it will reach as a triangle, or it could be irregular flat. So anything it can do like this. So we have to wait for the clear opportunity to enter, whether it is a sell or buy. So far the same view. So it can do one more high, or it is already did 1 2. So I explained this 3 4 and 5, and we are on the downtrend. It is also the possible, not only to make a one more high, from here also it can decline. So let's watch with this, and I won't going to take the trade because I am looking only for the dollar, and it is in the bigger movement what we expecting in the dollar. So just we will do make a money whatever what we following that. Just only I kept this for analysis. So next is US oil. So what is going on here? And my target will reach, I think so soon, for the $115. So what is the $115? What is that? So next resistance level here. So what moves the market? Didn't know. Previous here it plays the corona, and later immediately it will took rise. So where's the corona? Corona is the same here everywhere in the world. So these are all the fundamentals will took all the place, and technical will pay you if you get ready. See, I exited at 41 levels, that you know very well. From here itself I exited my positions and looking for the deeper correction to I thought from here if it comes to this zone I will be in buy side, and I said that time itself the target is $70, but where we are in the trading it's 82. So what it is going to do? So now I nearly, this is the W, this is the X. So so this is my weekly chart. Okay, so this is the A, and this is the W, this is the X in the irregular flat formation, and I'm expecting for the B wave, this double bracket B wave. This is a bracketed B wave. So this is I'm going for either it could be a running flat, or it could be expanded flat, how we did in the CAD JPY, like the same thing, the same format. It is playing the same pattern, the same it's playing here. So it's a W, this is a X, so ABC, right? So ABC means it's a flat, it's a Y wave. So here also I expected the deeper correction, but it is in the did only the 23.6 here. We already did the same analysis, right? 23.6, and again it should. So that is also zigzag. 1 2 3 4 5 is got completed, and again the three-way structure for the B, and we are in the C wave. Once it got triggered, my stop loss at 81.5, right? So I expected from here also if it is a B, and I have already shown you that it will do like this kind of. I'm expecting it will took 1 year, but everything is get invalid. That is the price action. That is the market. So what I'm expecting is a simple, it's a C wave, is a 5-way structure. So the wave 1 is going to complete. It's not yet completed. So I'm expecting up to the 88 zone or 87 to zone to complete. So this is the rough calculation for that wave count, and I already shared my view also. So wave 1, wave 2. Wave 2 is an irregular flat formation here. So after that, so 1 2. So 1 2 3 4 5. That this is the third wave got completed, the Roman letter third, fourth, and fifth. So this is the bracket Roman letter 1 2 3, and we are in that fourth wave. So once the fourth wave is got completed, and it is shooting to that 87 or 88, or it is breaking above this also valid, but it should be in the 5-way structure. So either if it is making a bigger consolidation here, and then it will shoot, means nearly it will took to the 88 or 89 or 90 also, because if we kept this wavelength here in the rejection of that here is nearly 89.88 is the 786 zone for this wavelength for the 5th way target. So this is my view in crude, and it is going to shoot up nearly 115. I don't know what it is going to move, but it will move. I think so. So everything, it is not guaranteed, right? And I'm also the same thing. I'm on the sideline. Everything, it's not 100%. We can analyze, but if you are trading, then that is a different mindset, because it's your money. You have to take a risk, and you don't follow me blindly. That is my humble request to everybody. I will just keep on saying, if it is an analysis, I will just keep on saying, right? That won't profit or loss for me. Only I will just keep on changing the wave count. W, X, Y, A, B, C is everything. Whatever it is possible, I can do. I can draw. But money is yours. So before investing in any stock or any commodities or whatever it is, you have to do your home own work, not in others. So let's move on to the gold. Just now I shared my view in the gold. If you are right, so I'm expecting here. This is the three-way structure. One is got completed in the shorter time frame. After that, this is the perfect five-way structure, and it is doing that irregular flat formation here. So now I'm expecting this has to complete nearly, I think so. It may complete like this. Whether it is going to reach that 1755 or 1760, or it's already 1775 now. So whatever it is doing here, one second, yeah, here, right? So within this zone, I'm expecting again to bounce in the ABC for the three-way structure to reach here, the 1870 zone. So if it breaks the above the high, that we need to watch. Before that, I can't predict the what kind of structure is going to do, but this is the bigger picture. So this is a ABC is a A, ABC is a B, and C means this one three-way structure is got completed, and here also it's a three-way structure, and here also one three-way structure. So bigger 1 2 3 is got completed. Here also bigger 1 2 3 is got completed. Here also 1 2 3 is got completed. So everything it is making a three-way structure. So with the help of that price action, I'm just predicted whether it could be a triangle also. So then this is a B C D E. After once it reached here, I'm expecting to the downside for the target of 1375 to 1450. So what is that zone that you know very well? That is the previous resistance zone, and now it will took an support as a major support zone here, the 1400 zone. So this is a W or A, so X or B, and again one more low is also possible in the five-way structure or the three-way structure, or it could be a W, X, Y, X, Z also. So if it did like that in that weekly chart, so this is a third wave, and I'm expecting that fourth wave is an irregular flat formation, and again I'm expecting the fifth wave to reach nearly 2200 and above. That is the positional target. So either within that it could be converted into the triangle also. It's a bigger triangle also in impact. Or it could if it reach here, from here it can bounce also. So then that will be a become fourth and fifth. Or it is again and again it's doing a lot of triangles, means it can shoot from here also. So for the fifth way, but once we are strucking into that fifth way, and if we take all the short positions here in that 2200, later on if it's keep shooting for the 3000 also, see these are all only for the expecting. I'm explaining here. A, B, C could be A. So then the bigger what we expecting is the fourth wave become the B wave or X wave, and then C wave it will do like this kind of way. And what the pandemic is coming to know, no idea. But the market says if it reach this zone, the 1365 to 1450 zone, it's a bounce may happen. Whether it is going to shoot, or whether it is going to again the consolidation like this kind of triangle, and this is a bigger triangle, and later onwards it can shoot for that bigger wave also. So silver, wait for that. What I expected, the 26 zone, just keep on wait for this. I will just unhide all my drawings. What I expected, wait for this zone. That's it, simple. So what it is doing, and I already explained that 1 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect 5-way, and it is in the wedge formation. I informed in the last week also, right? So then what it could be? This is a W, because if we place this as a B, C, this is a end of, then it could become W, and I'm expecting the three-way structure for X and one more three-way structure for the Y. But everybody thinking this is a, this is the B, and C is completed. From here it is going to shoot. In my experiences or in my wave analysis as per the Elliott wave theory, just I need to, and I will leave it to you, right? So here is the thing, A, B and C. What you have to do here, either W or X. So if it is, you place this as a, this as a B, and that C. So whatever it is doing, W, X, Y, again we need to make this as a W, because this is a connecting wave for that further downside, and it is already here. One second, yeah, in this zone, right? It's already broken here. Its low is 21.479, it's 21.665, so it's already broken. So then it's a WX. Why we have to do this? But how we have to make this as a Y? This is a WX, right? So this 5-way structure become A. Do you got it? This ABC is A, ABC is a B or C or W, whatever you can do it. But this is the W. After this is a connecting wave, also irregular flat formation is X. So if we did this X, what is the Y contains of? It's a ABC. It's not only the 5-way structure. So this is the A means this is the B means C is a wave 1 here. So what is further about this? So what I'm in my plan in the clear way, what I'm seeing is ZWX A is got completed and we are in the B wave. Once the B wave is got completed, I'm looking for the C wave to the downside, like this kind of 5-way structure to reach up to that 18, or this could be around 16.600. That is my view. So I think we finished everything. Yeah, copper is there. One second. Yeah, copper, right? And I have explained that also very well. If you are following me, you can make money here. And what I said, copper is doing 90% of the thing, and I have explained here also. And why again and repeating the same thing? You, if you are a new follower and if you are watching this, they didn't know, and they are wherever they, and they need to search for my videos where I am just told that. So again the same thing I'm showing that. So now it's a bigger ABCs got over. So what is that? C, 5-way structure, simple. Or either it could be a 3-way structure, that may be. If it is a 5-way structure, it can do like how we predicted the silver. If it is a W, this is a X. One 5-way structure could be a later on it's B, and one more C. So first target is the same. Let's wait for this, whether it is going to make a C of sorry, it's a A of 1, and here also it's looking like the 5-way structure is got completed here. It looks like that. So here, see, in the 1 hour chart, I'm not getting anything. All right, in that this chart, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 1, this is the 2. So the whole thing becomes 3, and we are in the 4th wave. So it can do like this because it's already broken this low, and it's looking like a 3-way structure. It can do like this, and what is that? This is the previous support zone. It's look everything. It is simple one, whether I'm just keep on explaining everything. So why I'm expecting from here, there is a chances for making, and it's already broken that, so still we are in the correction part. But expecting this, no need to be in buy side. That is the main thing for the Elliott wave traders to trade in the both the trend. We can expect that rejection. or we can expect a bounce, but whether it is doing or not, that we need a confirmation. So what is the trend side? From here we need to be in sell side, not to be in buy side, making this as a stop loss. Simple, right? It's very simple. If you follow me, you can make a money. You would be made money also. So now, simple. If once it's completed the previous structure, either it could be a simple correction, or if you're looking for that copper. So Vijay said that the copper is doing 90%, so I will wait for that wave 2 can reach up to this. It will do only 38.22 or something, 23.6, and again it came down also. So what it did here, 1 2 3 4 5, and keep on expecting from here, and it never came, right? So 1 2 3 4 5, and it's already finished all the moves from here. I'm not trading the copper. Previous I did, and I like to trade the copper in Indian MCX. Now I'm not doing that. So if you are expecting this deeper correction, it won't come. And if you are looking for the simple correction, and if you entered in the 23.6 or 38.2, and it will do the bigger correction. But that thing you have to do and keep discipline, you have to place a stop loss here. That's it. Look for that bigger target. If you are just keep on doing that same routine thing, and it will be become discipline to you. I'm doing the same thing for me also. I'm just keep on forcing me to do that. So this is a money minded game. If you took this as a money, you will exit early. If you took this as a game and I need to win, means if it is converted into the money, all psychology will be affect you. And if it's a number, so I need this number, so this number to reach, this is my target. If you just keep on saying to you, no, I need to be disciplined, I want to trade all the waves, I will just keep on sit in front of the system. If you just enter the trade and just keep on all that, you just remove all the USBs for that keyboards, you unplug everything and just keep on watching that, you will make the money, and market will give you if you patience. So hope you enjoyed this week analysis. Earlier itself I'm just keep on uploading this. So thanks for watching, and a lovely weekend to you, on a lovely month end too, and that for the rest of that, all that Indian people's happy Diwali, and next year week is ahead. So happy Diwali, and safe to all the family members with the playing the crackers, firing the crackers. So thanks for, and a happy Diwali to everybody all over the world. So thanks a lot. Have a nice profitable week and month to everybody, and see you on the next week on Saturday. Bye.